So, think you know everything about Google Gemini. Think again. You've probably seen the headlines, maybe even used it to answer a quick question or two. But what we're talking about today goes way beyond the surface level. Gemini is Google's next-gen AI, but there's a lot more under the hood than you might expect. It's not just another chatbot, it's a fundamental shift in how we interact with technology. Designed from the ground up to be more intuitive, more powerful, and more integrated into our digital lives than anything that's come before it. It's clean, it's smart, and it's pretty ambitious. Alright, so first up on the list, and this one is a big deal, is Gemini's multimodal capability. Unlike a lot of other AIs that might handle text, and then have a separate model for images, and another for audio, Gemini was built from the ground up to understand all of these things together, natively. You can give Gemini a picture of a half-finished diagram on a whiteboard, and then using your voice, ask it to explain the physics and write presentation text about it. Now let's talk about collaboration. Most AI interactions have been one-to-one, but Gemini is built to be a team player. Multiple users can be in the same Gemini session, working together, and the AI will update its responses live for everyone to see. It's a dynamic, interactive workspace where the AI is an active participant, not just a passive tool. Okay, for all the developers watching, this one is for you. Gemini's coding capabilities are seriously impressive. We're talking about deep understanding of multiple programming languages, from JavaScript and C++ to specialized ones like Go and Kotlin. It can write complex functions from natural language, but more importantly, it can help you find and fix bugs in your own code. Google has this huge productivity suite: Gmail, Docs, Sheets, Slides. One of the most practical things about Gemini is its seamless integration into that entire ecosystem. You're in Gmail staring at a massive email thread. Instead of reading through it all, you can ask Gemini to summarize and list key action items. In Google Docs, you can prompt Gemini to draft a project proposal with budget, timeline, and marketing sections. One of the biggest frustrations with early AI was lack of memory. Gemini tackles this with contextual memory. It remembers previous conversations. You mention you're a vegetarian training for a marathon. Later, when you ask for dinner ideas, it suggests high-protein, plant-based meals suitable for an athlete. It's a continuous dialogue, not a series of disconnected queries, making AI feel more natural and personal. Google is a search company, so Gemini's search capabilities are incredibly advanced. It can search the live web, your personal documents, emails, and even within images and videos. Ask for the latest Q3 earnings report and your presentation from last year. Gemini executes both searches simultaneously and synthesizes the information. Upload a photo of a landmark and ask about related emails. It identifies the image and searches your Gmail, finding not just what you ask for but what you need. AI interactions can feel robotic, but Gemini addresses this with customizable personalities. You can tweak its tone, style, and persona to match your preferences. For a business proposal, tell it to be professional and formal. For creative brainstorming, ask it to be playful and imaginative. It's about matching the tool to the job, making Gemini more versatile and approachable for different users and tasks. With an AI that remembers conversations and searches personal files, privacy is crucial. Google built robust privacy controls directly into Gemini. You can review past conversations, delete anything you don't want remembered, or turn off activity history altogether for private interactions. You have granular control over which apps Gemini can access. Don't want it scanning emails? Simply turn that permission off. Language can be a barrier, but Gemini tackles this with impressive multilingual support. It's fluent in dozens of languages from around the globe. Imagine a team call with members in Japan, Germany, and Brazil. Gemini could provide live transcription and translation for everyone. It understands cultural context and idioms. While traveling, point your camera at a menu and get overlay translations, breaking down language barriers globally. And finally, the 10th thing you should know about Gemini is that it's not a finished product. And I mean that in the best way possible. It's built on continuous learning and improvement. The version you use today will be better than last month's, and next month's will be even more capable. Features that seem futuristic now, like analyzing long-form video or complex multi-step tasks, are on the horizon. From its native multimodal architecture and real-time collaboration to powerful coding assistance and deep workspace integration, Gemini represents a foundational platform that's more helpful, intuitive, and powerful. Whether these features will change how you work daily remains to be seen, but the potential is definitely there. Gemini is laying the groundwork for what's next in AI. If you learned something new, hit that like button. It really helps the channel. Drop a comment with your favorite feature or what you're most excited to try. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay up to date with more deep dives into the latest tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.